Hey, it's Sharron. Today we're going to make triple chocolate peppermint fudge. So I'm not going to do too much talking on this video, but we have 3 types of chocolate and I used milk, not the whipping cream. I decided to use milk. I think it was too much fat in the whipping cream. So if you try this recipe, use milk instead. So I'm going to melt all the chocolate separately. So if you're a fudge lover out there, I think you're going to really love this recipe. And right here I decided to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of peppermint syrup. And guys, let me know if you decide to make this recipe. This is a good holiday recipe for your holiday table. I would also recommend that you spray the parchment paper on top as well. The first layer of chocolate. You want to make sure you spread that all throughout the pan as best as you can. In a few seconds you're going to see that I switched over to a different utensil. I actually used a spatula right there. It helped a little bit better with smoothing everything out. Guys, remember to subscribe if you like more quick and easy recipes. And here I'm going to add in the mint fudge chips along with a tablespoon of milk. And actually you could save a step by mixing this in with your milk chocolate. And guys, you could actually melt the chocolate in the microwave. Just check it every 30 seconds, or you can use the double boiler method as well. You guys comment below and let me know what's your favorite holiday desserts. Okay, so finally we're going to melt the white chocolate. And this is what you're looking for, a smooth, creamy consistency. Okay, so we're going to add in the final layer of white chocolate here, as you can see. And once we're done adding that layer, we're going to pop this in the refrigerator for just a couple minutes while we're working on crushing up our peppermint candies. Okay, so we're taking that out the refrigerator. It's been in there for about 10 minutes, and now we're going to add on top our crushed peppermint candies. And guys, this is the last step. Okay, so now you're going to cut your fudge into pieces. And there you have it, triple chocolate peppermint fudge. Look at that, girl. Thank you guys for watching. Have a happy holiday season. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.